Hello students, this is 12th standard chemistry, P block element 2. So last two videos we discussed the chlorine and the preparation and chemical property and the sulfuric acid preparation and chemical property. This video we are going to discuss about the hydrochloric acid. So how to prepare the hydrochloric acid in the lab. When it's salt, when it react with the sulfuric acid, sodium react with the sulfate. See, sodium react with the sulfate, sodium sulfate is formed, and the hydrogen react with the Cl, HCl is formed. This is called as a HCl preparation. Same thing, sodium hydrogen sulfate react with the NaCl. So again sodium sulfate is formed, hydrogen react with the Cl, HCl is formed. So this is the two method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. So chemical properties, when hydrochloric acid, when it react with water, it produces a H3O plus and a Cl minus. Here I am written as a water is a base because as per the Lewis concept, anything it accepting the H plus, this is becoming H plus when it connected with the water, because water le two lone pairs irukum, in the H plus inga ukandichuna it is become H3O plus with the formation of Cl minus. So when HCl dissolves into the water, H3O plus is the hydronium ion with the formation of Cl minus. In some other books they are given HCl split up into H plus and Cl minus. Here H3O plus, that is equal to H plus. Okay. Next, when it react with the metal. So when it react with the metal, it produces zinc chloride with the liberation of hydrogen, and magnesium chloride when it react with hydrogen. So what happens when it react with the metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate? Any acid, I already told you, when it react with the carbonate and bicarbonate, the carbon dioxide and water is common because it gives a brisk effervescence. So another thing, sodium react with the chloride, sodium chloride, calcium react with the chloride, calcium chloride, sodium react with the chloride, sodium chloride. So any carbonate, when it react with acid, it produces salt, carbon dioxide, and water is formed. So when it react with the sodium sulfate, again see, sodium chloride is formed, sulfate is there, so sulfur dioxide and water is obtained. The most important question in this hydrochloric acid is aqua regia, that is called as a royal gold. So I already told you gold does not react with the sulfuric acid, but how it react with the acid in the aqua regia. What is aqua regia? 3 part of corn HCl and 1 part of corn HNO3. Combination of these two chemical is called it as aqua regia. So gold react with, they are given H, so HNO3, and they are given Cl, so HCl. It produces AuCl4 minus and NO and H2O. But in the previous books they are given like this: gold react with the HCl and HNO3, it gives a AuCl3 and NOCl and H2O. Okay, but you must write this one only. Like that, platinum also react with aqua regia, it produces a tetrachloroplatinum 2 minus ion அப்படின்ற ஒரு complex formation ஆகும். So the aqua regia only can dissolve gold, silver and platinum. அதனால இந்த equation. So these two equations are very important equations. Thank you.